No, 2018, na,
Mm-hmm.
18,000 students suicided. Huh?
Yeah.
Within them, 7,000 was below 15, 12 age.
Okay.
So, see, bro, say age group of 15, 12, 13, they are committing suicide means uh, they are doing something wrong with the education system, na, basically.
Yeah, bro. Actually, if I say about a real problem of government, so in this time, government are not focusing student and about country. Government are torching people with religional movement. And
They are in purpose to income actually money much and much more. They are not actually addressing individual quality rightly. They are just uh, giving so much burden in the student. Actually, you will be surprised when the KG kindergarten students are going to their school. Their bags are 5 kgs, 10 kgs bag.
yeah,
These are very surprising. है ना?
yeah, yeah.
Uh, in single moment they are learning क्या क्या computer, English, the complex mathematics. They are actually just something else.
In
The
2000,
damn education system.
2090 government was announced that now India will follow new Shiksha Niti. New Shiksha Niti.
No, but to modify.
Mhm. No, actually, our government has also know what is the need for our student, but he don't care about their student, no. So it's a government problem, yeah. I don't know why my country people select this type leader who rule in India. I am so not happy with my leader. No, actually, bro, in my family here, there are lots of students preparing government exams. Some students are preparing UPSC exam. They want to become IS officer, SDM, and some people are preparing law exam and NEET exam, JEE. These type preparation my family are doing, but still now no one is not get any job. So I don't know where is problem. Problem is government side. Yeah, their preparation. Actually, in what is your state problem? Do you know? In my state, there are lots of problem, and according to you, what is yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
98% marks, but not giving anyone any kind of job.
But
And by that, they are actually upgrading the student now. From high school, they are upgrading to graduation. From graduation to BA to MA to PhD. They are just giving marks, not any kind of job.
bro, marks is not important everywhere. What you have written your exam books, that you need only marks. And without any preparation, if you will find out of 190 marks, so what is your expectation? It's not good because people are studying for job purpose. People are studying for knowledge purpose. Not they are studying for marks. Marks is important. Everyone is no.
So,
Yeah. So yeah, I don't know.
but
Not
without any
improvement.
purpose, not getting anything.
Yeah. Only promoting next class. If your student have not any capability to enter next class, then also they used to promote.
Hmm.
Okay.
They are collecting money and promoting everyone to higher level, giving them higher marks, but not giving any kind of job.
Yeah. It's my Indian education system, bro. What we can do for it?
Uh, wait,
Yeah. I think you know Hindi language
that
because
is my
sometime
problem,
you.
bro.
Yeah, your problem understand, bro. I am understanding your
You
problem.
actually, your mother tongue actually Hindi, na?
Yeah, yeah, because I am so much word speak something like Hindi, and you also speak. Yeah, so this word is Hindi word, and you are speaking. I think you very well know about Hindi language.
I can speak in Hindi language also.
Okay, no problem. But you from West Bengal, so West Bengal, it is not a cup of tea. Speak Hindi language.
What, bro?
It means I told you, Bengalian people not interested to speak in Hindi language, and you know Hindi. That's what I'm telling.
Actually, Bengali language is very much close to Hindi language. The word are na same. Bengali word and Hindi word are same. Just something, just a little bit different, but word are same.
Bro, you from West Bengal, na? I had heard about one district Malgudi. Have you listened this area name?
Malgudi.
Something like it's. I am not a correct pronounce it, but I think it's similar to one district in your area.
It may be. I actually don't hear it.
Okay, actually, I used to watch a video from this area, a YouTuber who she teach English language. That's why I know about it.
Malgudi.
Haha. her name is her name is Sweta, and she belong to West Bengal, and I think his district is Malgudi, something like it. I don't know correct, but it's similar to this word.
Oh, she has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, she has a YouTube channel, a little YouTuber. Just he is growing their life because she is student pursuing their master, and preparing to teach other student. She provide education like how you can learn English language. She she is it affording that people learn something about English language. So it's good according to me.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
Okay, bro.
I think you are going.
Now I'm going.
So you tell me you are regular in this application.
No, bro. Every time I get actually, I have talked with you 22 minutes now. 1 2 minutes I gets bored and I disconnect the call.
Okay, okay, okay. But you have talked me nearly 20 plus minutes. So it is your first time, I
22
think.
minutes. Yes, bro. Every time I got so much actually boring, feel bored and
But
disconnect the call.
you are not interested talk anyone. That's why, because you are
Ah,
you are ready to disconnected my call nearly 4 5 time. But I stay with you and connect with you, and your behavior was good. That's why you are stay with me nearly 20 plus minute. Otherwise, if you say I am going, I say go, no problem. So you can definitely go, and I was stay with you and talk with you. So you are talk with me nearly half hour. So it's good for me, and I have also
actually,
I had also my practice today also. My today practice has also done. So if you have problem, you want to go, so you can go now, and we had talk my daily routine times.
okay.
Okay, you can disconnect my call in your side.